Hey, Kelsey Taylor here. Welcome to another video blog. Today I'm at Roba Family Farm, and I'm here with the youth group, and just hopefully Mom says like a quarter after 5 or something, and we're gonna be here for from 5:30 till 9:30 for a good 4 hours. So we're meeting at the emissions barn here, and I'll show more. This is going to be a very exciting blog, and happy late September. Just showing you some of the things that they have here.
Oh, I'm sorry, I've been looking for you. How's it? Yeah. Oh, Miles.
And we're in.
I didn't really even say that. How was your trip to wherever you went?
Pretty good. Productive.
I went to the gym 2 days while you were gone.
Without me.
Yeah. I'm really sore, and I woke up 3 times.
Where are we going?
And because I was so sore, I kept rolling
No,
over on my sore arms. And I was curious. You should put that on.
Yeah, you have to pull it down. Yeah, okay. No,
You gotta do a big pull. Real top down.
Go.
Don't touch it, Kelsey.
Big horse. It's a big goat. Hello. Hi, big goat. A little goat.
Ricky, feed him your hat.
Feed him
Say cheese.
Look at his eyes. Isn't he cute?
They are cute.
Huh? I don't know. I tried telling her like 5 times. Yeah, only 2 years ago. You just can't do it. Oh yeah, we gotta go to pig races. Oh, where'd the sea breezes go? Technically 4. We can go back and again. You can buy a cowboy hat right here. $10. This is where I got my first hat. Not really. I gave mine to him. Oh, geez. He drew his last breath. His last breath. Yeah.
There's a hot air balloon in the sky. If you could just see it. Come on, camera, focus. Yeah, there's a hot air balloon in the sky. Hot air balloons coming down.
Just like that. 1, 2. I don't know what to call it. Make it more like ring that bell. And they're off. Yellow's in the lead, followed by blue, purple, red. Pink doesn't know what he's doing. Over the high hurdles they go around the back stretch. Yellow has a commanding lead and is the winner.
Duckies! Duckies! Look at the duckies! The duckies! Oh, they're so cute! Oh my god! Ooh, what's this one? Hello! Quack, 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 quack. I heard that. I heard a quack, 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 quack. You're despicable. Just kidding. Damn, Miss Piggy, did you have a makeover? Did you chop your face off so you won't see me again? Oh, Kermit, how dare you say that? This is Miss Piggy's new husband. Just joking.
What's the point of this? What do you want?
Now we're making s'mores. See, I got my stick, I got my chocolate, crackers, and marshmallows, and there's the fire pit. Burn, marshmallows, burn!
We gotta eat some dinner first, then maybe we'll come back.
Toasty. You see, Sally, I told you the great pumpkin will come into the pumpkin patch and send toys to all the little children. You blockhead! It's just a beagle and my brother holding hands! Halloween's over and I missed it! Relax, Sally. It's only late September and Halloween is yet to come. Jeez. Into the corn maze. go.
Wait, why are we going this way?
That way.
This is the dead end. We need to follow the crowd, just like in the rest of our lives. Hey, listen, I'm pretty sure this is the dead end. No, I'm not leading the way. Because then when we get lost, I want to get yelled at. By the way, we should do...
I wonder what they do with this one. I wonder what they do with it. Wait. They're taking pictures.
Alright, let's go. I'm trying to think we wasted all our quarantine time on pictures. With Kyle, and he's gonna put it on
Trying to
Facebook.
tape stuff.
Wait, should I not share this with Kyle?
Don't share it. It's going to be on Facebook, yeah.
Alright, I'm not. I'll just show it to him when I see him then. Share it with me.
Yeah.
No. Did you see the last one? I want to see it on my phone.
Let's go
My
this way.
screen's better than John. Your screen is not better than mine, actually. What do you have?
You've seen the cow.
Alright, are they going to keep us? Because then we're going to get separated, and it's going to be bad. I really should put stuff on.
I feel like I'm inside.
Me too. I'm like, I'm hungry. Me too. She's talking about the kid who asked her to.
It's not like you're one holds the corn like this way. One holds it that way. Oh, and go like this. Yeah, like one holds the corn here. I felt really bad.
How's everything going, Nate?
Boy, it's getting dark.
He,
Yeah, it really is getting dark.
They lent out the used Blu-ray.
So, now we're going in here, so, to get something to eat, so I'll see you later.
So your mom got you a third day ticket yesterday.
Yeah, you heard about that?
I gave it to her.
Really? That's nice.
She came by the church.
Yeah. Have some nachos, got hot chocolate, a cookie, and a candy apple, which is blue. It looks to be a blueberry flavored apple. Somebody help me! I'm serious. There's a stick stuck on the bottom of my shoe, and it's
I can help you with that.
marshmallow mush. Thank you. Oh, and if I can show you with very poor lighting, there's just I'm not going to show it. It's probably very disgusting.
What? Oh, she said, I like your hair. And I was like, yeah, I need to get it done again.
This is the pumpkin patch at night. Hope we don't find Linus and Sally there. Waiting for the great pumpkins this early. What's the school bus doing in the pumpkin patch? Is Miss Frizzle in the class studying pumpkins? Very weird. What? Hey, what?
Sam wants a close-up.
Close-up of what?
Hey, girl! Like, yeah. She's hiding, but it's not hiding.
Yeah, there she is.
Hey. If I only had a brain. Forgot to show the ponies. I hope I got good lighting here. I hope they're ponies or horses. You can see that white horse in the back of pony. There's another one coming up in the dark. If the lighting works well, like while editing it, you can see it better. But the horses are just feeding. Halloween stuff already. Cute. Yeah, I really don't have that much to say, but we're almost to the end. Buffalo. There's the honey. What are these? Pig noses. Alright. Hey, I just got back home and it's 11:15. But I really want to end this video to like show the candy apple, like see if it really tastes like blueberry or something like that. And if I can open it. Yeah, this part broke off because I dropped it in the road, like I think in the driveway right before we left. So let's see if it tastes like blueberry. My tongue's a little bit burnt from the hot chocolate, but kind of tastes like blueberry. Now I'm not going to spend the rest of the video licking it because it might take forever. Yeah, it's definitely blueberry. I really like blue. So thank you so much for watching this video blog, and I hope to do more in the future when something else exciting happens. And make sure you check out my other video blogs in case you haven't seen them. I hope to do more. So thanks again so much for watching. I'll see you later. I don't know. It may be cotton candy flavored or blueberry. I don't know. You be the judge.